Hello and welcome to another business interview with SWS TV. My name is Nishit Kotak, and here at SWS TV we regularly feature local business experts who share the tips, tricks and insights into various industries. Today with us on the hot seat we've got Dr. Lalit Sodha, a chiropractor based in Eastcote, London. Welcome.
Thank you, Nishit.
And
Pleasure to be here.
The pleasure is all ours. And Dr. Lalit is going to help us understand the question that so many of our viewers have been asking, which is how to treat back pains, sciatica, and headaches using chiropractic manipulation. So, Dr. Lalit, why don't you start by giving us an introduction and helping us understand what should people be looking out for when they go online to search for treatments and chiropractors to find the right person to solve their needs?
Well, let me tell you one thing, Nishit. First of all, thank you for having me on board today. It's great. A lot of people have concerns for their back or neck pain or back pain and what they should be doing. Ideally, they should actually be assessing what is the right course of action when backache, neck ache appears in a patient. The more common presentation to the clinic is just of the either the websites or recommendations that people give, and people will say go and see such and such a chiropractor. But first of all, you need to know that chiropractic is one of the topmost complementary alternative healthcare that does look after patients with back pain, neck pain, headaches, sciatica. Those are the more common conditions that present to us. So yes, it is a profession that does help you with it. Where do you find such a local person who will be able to help? Well, first of all, it's word of mouth that people talk about who is the good chiropractor in the local area. Secondly, you will be absolutely certain that you look at their qualification, that they are proper graduates of an accredited college of chiropractors or accredited institution. You also want to know that they are registered with what they call the General Chiropractic Council, which is the governing body for the profession in England. So at least that makes you comfortable with the feel that this person is a legitimate practitioner who's going to give them proper care. So that's one of the topmost things, and nothing beats word of mouth. So a personal recommendation is the best way, and that is the topmost way our clinic has established over the last 20 years in Eastcote.
Fantastic. So I can see a recap is to make sure that the person that they're looking for should be technically competent. They should have a giving attitude, and they should be well known, and so people should have testimonials or recommendations along for them.
Absolutely right. Yes. Definitely talented in their techniques and how they work with patients, yes.
Great. So when we come to the question of how to treat backaches, sciatica, and headaches,
yes.
So maybe you can start by letting us know what are some of the most common causes of these conditions first, and then how you would recommend people can get them treated and then prevent them from happening.
Sure. First of all, it's important to identify that that is something that is caused by a spinal problem or a muscle spasm or a joint that doesn't move or a nerve that's being trapped. Generally, sciatica with back pain is as a result of a nerve that's being trapped. So the first thing you want to do is get a proper consultation with a qualified chiropractor, go through a thorough examination which will include the basic orthopedic neurological tests, some basic chiropractic tests, and x-rays done if they are clinically indicated. Based on all those findings, one can come to a diagnosis of what the condition is and how it can be treated. Now, it's very, very important that treatment is done effectively with hands-on what we call chiropractic manipulation and chiropractic adjustments. So after the full diagnosis and the x-rays are done, it becomes a lot easier for the chiropractor to treat that patient. Once treatment is delivered, obviously advice on posture, diet and nutrition, exercises and stretches is given to all the patients to actually help maintain their quality of health, and how to actually help the spine go through the day-to-day activities without causing much stress on it.
Fantastic. So, Dr. Lalit, if someone were to ring up your practice today and inquire about this, what sort of experience would they have with your clinic?
Well, ideally, I'd like to say they would have a world-class experience at our clinic. Basically, when they call through, we have a reception, lovely ladies who will be answering the call to arrange, if need be, appointments to see us. One thing I must say, that all the viewers of this particular channel who do call our clinic will actually benefit from a first visit consultation examination procedure, which is normally valued at £40 at absolutely no charge.
Fantastic.
Yeah, this is about a half an hour, 40-minute visit, whereby the chiropractor will go through a full consultation and examination, identify what the problem is. Should you need further tests or further care, obviously that's something that will be subject to that visit. But obviously all the viewers of the channel for the first time will receive a complimentary a consultation examination visit. So the ladies will actually book some time for them. The chiropractors, myself and another lady chiropractor, will actually go through the examination procedure. We will then dictate in terms of what needs to be done after. So if there's any tests, we'll do them. If they need to be recommended or referred out, we'll certainly arrange for that too.
Fantastic. So thank you for the generous offer.
Yeah.
I'm sure our viewers will be taking that up. And so, folks, that has been Dr. Lalit Sodha on the hot seat. And if you want to contact Dr. Lalit, let me just bring up the contact details. There we go. We got the website at healthyspine.co.uk, and the phone number is 0208 868 5020. Do make sure you give them a call and book in your free consultation. So, Dr. Lalit, it's been a pleasure having you on today's hot seat.
Yes, it's my pleasure too.
Thank you for sharing your expert insight into this industry.
Absolutely.
And we look forward to having you back on another interview sometime soon.
Thank you.
And I know you've got some event coming up, if you'd like to share about that.
Absolutely. We've got the Patient Appreciation Evening that our clinic is launching for our top clientele. And we're having our local mayor attending the event, and people like yourself who will be joining us on this great occasion, where we are actually honoring all our patients who've been with us for a great length of time to build the ultimate chiropractic community and well-being patients that we have. And that's what we want to do, is have our ultimate goal is to have the super ultimate chiropractic community in our area, who are people actually keeping very well and healthy through chiropractic care. So that's the event we are launching on the 22nd, and I certainly would request anybody who wants to attend this event and meet the mayor and everybody, the local mayor, it would be a great opportunity. Give us a call and we'll try to make some arrangements for you to attend that event.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, folks, if you'd like to feature on an interview like this, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Nishit Kotak. The channel is SWS TV. Subscribe and like, share and leave your comments. We'll see you on the next interview.
Thank you.